Hello, this is Ernest Burley Jr., your certified financial planner, your chartered financial consultant, your NFLPA registered player financial advisor, your investment advisor representative. I hold the Series 6, 63, and 7 that allow me to offer financial services and securities products and services to clients all across the country. I'm also a licensed insurance agent. I've been in the industry for well over 30 years. Wow. And I've been in business for over 25 years, providing products and services to clients all across the country. Now, let's not forget about author of 2 books on money management. You see them up there, right? Money Management, Easy as 1, 2, 3, and Money Management from Grade School to Grad School. Now, today's podcast is really an actual plug for a conference that's coming up November the 11th and November the 12th. It's called the Mighty Men of Valor Conference, and it's being held at the First Baptist Church of Glenarden in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. So again, the Mighty Men of Valor Conference being held at the First Baptist Church of Glenarden's Worship Center in Upper Marlboro, Maryland. The address is 600 Watkins Park Drive, Upper Marlboro, Maryland. So please, please, please plan to attend. Now, it's for men only. So sorry, ladies. No, ladies, it's for men only. But don't tune me out. Don't tune me out. So send your husband, send your men, the men in your life, your husband, your son, your significant other, your grandson, your nephew, your whomever, whatever men you have in your life, please send them down because it's going to be a great conference for all involved. It's going to be talking about various topics to help men become better men and also to help them be the men that they want to be. There are a lot of different things that men go through and on a daily basis. And this conference is designed to tackle just about every area that could be thought of to help men become the men that they want to be for themselves and for their families, right? So I'll be speaking from the standpoint of financial planning, insurance, investing, those money type topics and insurance type topics. I'll be talking about that information. I'll be there to answer any questions after the session. So if I didn't have enough time during the workshop to address your point, I'll be there afterwards to address those points. But financial planning and insurance, those 2 areas, finances and insurance, those are 2 big pieces of the puzzle, like the theme of the conference is, putting all the pieces together of your puzzle, right? So these are 2 big pieces. If you're a grown-up, mature, an adult, you know that financial planning, dealing with finances and money, and insurance are 2 big topics that you have to tackle and, get some success over if you want to give yourself a leg up in life and help your family, right? So I'll be tackling those areas. I'll have my books there also. So if you want to purchase a book or several books, they'll be there for purchase, and I'll be there to sign the books if you want them signed. If you don't want them signed, hey, no problem. I'll be there for that also. So please carve out the time on Friday, November the 11th from about 7 to 9 p.m. and Saturday, November the 12th from about 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. There'll be a lot of different workshops, not just my workshop. There'll be a lot of different workshops talking about a lot of different other topics besides financial planning, investing, and insurance and things of that nature. But I'll be hitting things like infinite banking and insurance and investing and various investments you want to delve into, things of that nature. That's what I'll be talking about. So it's going to be an awesome event. I hope you come out. Let's go to menofvalor.com and register. So please register now, menofvalor.com. That's menofvalor, menofvalor.com. Register there. So we'll get a head count. There've been there's a lot of people already registered. So we're looking for even more people to be registered here pretty soon. And we look forward to you carving out the time to come there and get that information to help yourself, to help your family, to get your questions answered, and to just pick up some great information to glean from. There are going to be some very powerful people there in attendance, either speaking and or in attendance. So it's going to be a great conference for all men, young men and older men that attend. Okay. So I look forward to seeing you there. And that's it for today's podcast. Okay. In the meantime, y'all take care. Y'all be safe out there. Okay. Oh, I'll have to give up my disclosure. Okay, so my disclosure, since I talked about investing and financial planning, all that kind of stuff. So here we go. Burley Insurance and Financial Services, Inc., 13621 Annapolis Road in Bowie, Maryland. That's where my firm is located. Securities and investment advisory services offered through Next Financial Group, Inc., member FINRA and SIPC. Burley Insurance and Financial Services, Inc. is not an affiliate of Next Financial Group, Inc. This material is not intended as an offer or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security or other financial instrument. Past performance does not guarantee future performance. All the views expressed are those of Ernest Burley Jr., myself, and Burley Insurance and Financial Services, Inc., and not those of Next Financial Group, Inc. Next Financial Group, Inc. Does not provide tax advice. So that's my disclosure, since I did mention securities and financial planning and things of that nature. Okay. Now, hopefully I'll see y'all there on November the 11th and November the 12th, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on November the 11th, and from 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. on November the 12th. That's a Saturday. Okay. Y'all take care and y'all be safe out there.